How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the battery in your key fob. First of all, what you want to do is locate this pin here. Push that up the way while you pull the key out of the fob. So push it up and the key comes out like so. Now if you look here, there's a slot. What you can do is use the blade of the key, push it in like so, and then prise the key fob apart. Now what you can do is grab a pick, just put it underneath the battery, and then the battery will pop out. Now please bear in mind the orientation of the battery. So this is a CR2032. So I've managed to buy 2 batteries for $8, 8 Australian dollars. All we'll do now is remove the packaging. What you want to do is make sure that this is the end that's facing up. Now as you can see, there's a little pin in there, so you just push it in towards the pins, the retaining clip, like so. Just place the cover back on. That hole has to line up with that hole there. Push it back together like so. You'll hear an audible click. And then replace the key blade. Now what I'm going to do is just make sure everything works. There you go. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.